We are prepared.
Shiva! No, that's poop.
Hold that. She's making her own food, Jenna.
I just made instant food.
Your
hands are gonna cling to this. Okay, ready?
Okay.
That works.
Your boots probably aren't helping.
No. She's gonna get up there and go. Whoop.
Or not.
God damn it!
Why my hat?
I'm never gonna find that hat again now.
Well, too late. Jenna already did.
Okay. Okay.
This is why we love her.
Oh, I think my hair is a little snowy.
Yeah. Just a tad.
I gotta pee. I don't know what to do now. Come here.
I think you did everything you could. Okay. You asked for it.
Yeah.
Well, we were gonna do it anyways.
But look at the beautiful print I made.
I'm taking a picture of
I
it.
said to take the camera out because she's gonna go.
You were right.
Warm.
I got under there too.
You can wipe that off.
I'll save.
Where am I going?
On the side. I'll save, Jenna.